guys, this is part 2. We're just saving it. Here's a bee farm we just made. So
yeah, these bees love to go in. Bees love to go in here.
is it dead?
It's not. If it's dead, then we're gonna
Put it there.
save it. We're gonna save it.
Yeah,
Stay there. Stay there. Sonny, you've got to get all the water. We're gonna get
It's a worm. Yeah. Hashtag comments if you want to go in here. It's England. It isn't that hot anymore. Oh no, we bought a slushy cup.
Oh my god.
Not like an actual one, but like a Amazon one.
This is warm, so it's good. Right, we're gonna save it, okay, guys?
Yeah.
We're not gonna drown it.
Good, get it out.
Okay. It'll be fine.
Yes. It's working. It's stinging the spoon.
He's sucking up the water. Okay, guys. Please don't hate us for saving a bee.
I'm gonna hate us.
Oh my god, no. Sorry.
The world's not perfect, but it's not that bad.
The world's not perfect, but it's not that bad. Okay, I'm going to keep this water around while I walk around the bee. We've got to make it dry, so we go and get cloth with the viewers.
Come on, guys. Who's right there?
Okay, right guys, please don't do this at home. Don't. Please, guys. It's just because we got to save this bee.
I'm 9 and yeah. World's not perfect.
Come
Come on, it's up! Come on, it's up!
Are afraid of bees. If you're afraid of bees, ask somebody else to do it. If there's a bee dying,
Doug,
we need
get
to
in, get in,
make sure
get in.
all of our nature is perfect. Because otherwise, these bees are really rare and they might be extinct soon.
Bye, guys.